This is Cavolo Nero pasta. You're going to start out by cooking some dark green kale in a pot of boiling water. You can also add in a couple of smashed garlic cloves. After it's cooked for a couple of minutes, add your kale to an ice bath. That'll stop the cooking. Once it's cooled off, add your kale into a food processor along with a couple of cloves of garlic and squeeze in some lemon juice. Next, grate in some Parmesan cheese. And then add in about a cup of olive oil. Pour the sauce into a container and set aside. While your pasta is cooking, warm up your sauce on a pan over medium heat. Once your pasta is done cooking, you can add it into the sauce and just cook it through a couple of minutes. You can also grate in some more Parmesan cheese. That will make your pasta more creamier.